Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. My name's Tony and hope you're ready for another awesome video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to top off your radiator fluid bottle without making a mess. This is a pretty easy thing to do. It's easy to make a mess when you're doing this and have the brand new antifreeze go all over the place, all over your feet, all over your driveway, all over the inside of your engine bay. But I'll show you a little trick that I've learned over the years, working at my dad's body shop. I just wanted to pass it along to our viewers who may be just trying to do some of these things on their own. So that said, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We will reply back to you. And most important, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of content coming out, and it's pretty good stuff. So with that said, let's get rolling. So when you're topping off the radiator fluid, you never want to hold the bottle like this because the fluid will come out and it'll go all over the place. It'll go back and forth and it won't come out in a steady stream. If you hold the radiator fluid bottle to the side, it'll pour more easily and more steady out of the bottle into the reservoir or the radiator that you're trying to top off. So I'm going to top this off. And I'm going to watch my lines. I'm trying to block the camera. Now we're at the maximum line. That's all you want. You just want to top it off, and you can see where we're at. And it's just right up above there. So just take your funnel out, put your cap back on. So that's pretty much the method you need to use. Just kind of a quick, easy video. Pass this tip along. Hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.